The lapse rate is the amount that the air cools as you go up in elevation. It might get asked on a private pilot check ride, but it's just a great concept to help you understand weather. So the lapse rate is how fast the temperature changes as you go up in altitude. A standard lapse rate or a stable lapse rate is 2 degrees Celsius per 1,000 feet that you go up. So at sea level, the standard temp is 15 degrees Celsius. You go up 1,000 feet, it's gonna drop 2 degrees Celsius. That means it's 13 degrees Celsius. That's a standard lapse rate. And if we see a standard lapse rate, the type of weather that comes with that is very stable and good flying conditions. And this is the reason. So a stable lapse rate, we have 15 degrees Celsius at sea level, 13 degrees Celsius at 1,000, then 11, then 9, then 7, all the way up. It all has to do with the heat that's rising. If we look at an unstable lapse rate, you see 15 degrees Celsius at sea level, then it drops to 10 degrees, then 5, then 0. If we have a big spread between the temperature, then we have hot air or warm air at the surface. Well, warm air wants to rise. And the bigger that spread is between altitudes, the faster that warm air is going to rise, which creates that vertical motion, creates that lifting force in the atmosphere, which fuels thunderstorms, turbulence. A lot of bad weather comes from unstable lapse rate. But when you have a stable lapse rate, you don't have as big of a temperature spread. That hot air isn't able to rise as quickly. So we call it stable because it's being suppressed down. It's not able to balloon up and rise. And if this explanation made sense, I teach it the same exact way in the Private Pilot Check Ride textbook, which is everything that you need to know for the Private Pilot Check Ride. It's written exactly like I teach in my videos. And it also includes check ride questions in each section. That's gonna be linked below.